kids, can we read a book together today? Do you want to read with Mr. Greg? It's pretty fun. I have a great book. It's called Noisy Little Dump Truck. And he is a yellow dump truck. And the yellow dump truck's name is Sam. Dump Truck Sam, let's have some fun. Down at the site, there's a lot to be done. Cement mixer Sally will need some sand. Come on, Sam, you can lend a hand. Sally is the red cement mixer with the big purple back. And who is our guy that we love is Dump Truck Sam. Sam is his name. Digger Dan works hard today. He's working hard today. Now you can take all the dirt away. Digger Dan, he is green. Green Digger Dan. Sam is yellow. The big dump truck is yellow. Now, go on across the road and find a place to tip your load. The yellow dump truck Sam is going and dumping his dirt. What a busy day at the construction site. Dump truck Sam, you'll sleep well tonight. Dump truck, he is yellow. Do you see the yellow dump truck? Where's the green dirt mover? Do you see it? And our cement mixer, that's hard to say. Cement mixer, that's the red truck. Red truck with the purple back. Sam is the yellow cement mixer. Digger Dan is our dirt digger, the green truck. And our red truck with purple on the back is Sally. I hope you liked our book. I love this book. I love trucks.